Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a wreath and I have all my supplies here. I have like these little snowflakes that are ornaments. I have this, I don't remember what it's called.
Tulle.
But it's just called tulle. Okay. And I have some ribbon here, but I already have all my pre-cut ribbon here. And then I have all this. So yeah, most of the stuff is from the dollar store, so it's just cheap and easier to make instead of like buying a wreath like that one that's up there with all my other Christmas stuff. But I have a spot up there for my wreath, so I already did this part, and the pipe cleaners are just to help. They're gonna help keep everything together because it's easier that way. And there's just like this little rim thing that's gonna help make the wreath. But I'm gonna get my tool and just unwrap a little. I'm following this off a video and I'm using mostly the same thing, and I'm using like the same circle too, and I'm just mostly doing the same thing. I just have like different colored ribbon, and I'm gonna do different stuff with it. But yeah, so I'm gonna kind of take it and then I'm gonna twist it at first, just for first tie. Then I'm gonna take it, I'll go this way. Then I'm gonna kind of bunch it up. I watched a bunch of other wreath videos too, and then I also saw some videos where people made like little trees that are like the ones that are like a cone shape, those sort of trees. I'm just bunching it up to give it like a better look. But yeah, I'm on Thanksgiving break now. Today is actually Thanksgiving, so meanwhile my dad has the turkey in the oven and stuff, and we have all our Thanksgiving stuff set up. There's glitter all over the table too. And I know it's not December yet, but I have all my Christmas decorations up, except the ones outside, because not a lot of people have their decorations up. So I'm just going to cut this off here, the excess, but not all the way. And then I have some green that I'm going to add to the outer edge parts. And I'm just doing the same thing to, like, with what I did with the white. The green, though, you can't see as well. That's okay. It'll just add some more color. That way it's more Christmassy. Because I was going to do like a purple, because I had purple ribbon that we bought from the store just in case. But maybe I can make like another wreath on my own time and have it purple too, because my tree and stuff is purple. Like all of that is purple. And along with like the ornaments I made, I can make maybe like a purple and hollow wreath or something like that. But the red and green will make it more Christmassy, more like everything else we have here. And it even matches with like the tablecloth we have. Okay, so now I cut more ribbon. I cut the silver ribbon, so that way I have 3 types of ribbon. So I have this one. It says like Merry Christmas and Love and Joy, and that. And then, so I'm gonna kind of put them on top of each other. Oh, like this. Then I'm gonna put it in here. Then I'm gonna use this chenille stems to sort of wrap them together. Oh, this one fell out. I gotta sort of pinch them together first. But it's hard to kind of clump them together. Okay. Oh, it got stuck in the pipe cleaner.
Do you want me to help you?
No, I have it. Now I have this one, and I'm gonna do it to the other ones. Okay, so I put my wreath, or I added more ribbon so it fills in more of the spots. But I do have some other decorative stuff to add. So I'm going to add that. And I have these little ornaments here. I think I'll add one like maybe right here. Okay. Okay, so I added this one. And then I have another one to add, so I'll probably add it on like the opposite side. I can't even see where the wires are, so it's hard to pick it up. Okay, yeah, this is a good spot to add one. And okay, I wish it would snow here, but it probably won't. And it rained like a while ago, but it's not like cold enough yet, I think, to where it would snow. Okay, so I got these on here. Look pretty good. So now I have some other stuff to add. I like these sort of little things here. So I'm gonna try not to sort of ruin the other things that are here. I have glitter all over my shirt. That's Menchie and Zyler. I haven't done any Christmas nails yet because I don't have the Christine, or I haven't gotten it yet in the mail, so I'm gonna wait till I get the Christine Simply Nailogical Hollow collection. Then I'll probably do some nail art. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one just broke off the little stem. Okay, I'll get this one. And hopefully I won't pull on it. So yeah, and also we had the whole week off for Thanksgiving break instead of just like 3 days or however many there were before. Plus Christmas break is in a few weeks. I don't know how many. Okay, so I added this one. And let's see. I don't know if I want to add another one or if I want to add any of these other little things. Maybe I'll add some of these. They're just like little branches. You can see through some of them though. They have some brown spots. I think I'll add them sort of down here. Yeah. Okay. Have my first branch down. That looks pretty nice there. Now I have another one. Maybe I'll cut another one because it's pretty big. So now I cut another branch and I'm going to add it here. And like I said, Christmas break is in a few weeks, so I'm going to go visit my brother and his dogs. He has a new puppy that I'm going to see. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Okay, so here is part of this. Oh, one of the branches got stuck. I think I'll add some flowers. It's kind of hard to tell though when you can see the flowers. Okay, I might make a video when I go see my brother. I'll see, because we plan on staying there a few days for when he comes back. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna add one on the other side too. Maybe not there. Trying to see. Maybe right here. If I can find a stem to put it on. Okay. Right here seems pretty good. And I think I'll put up pictures here of my brother's new dog. And his name is Milo, so I'm excited to see him. He's probably much bigger than when we first got pictures of him though, because it's been at least a few months. Okay, I think I might be finished. Oh, this flower is falling. Okay, so now I'm finished with my wreath and I think it looks pretty nice. So now I'm going to hang it up. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.